Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Lambo. It's a Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato. This casting is by Matchbox, part of their moving lines, and it's new for 2025. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato's out of its box. Sure. And the very first thing I noticed is the paint. It looks really good. It's matte green. Lambo usually do green colors, but matte green looks really cool. Since we're on the side, this car is an off-road version of a supercar or sports car. So slightly raised height. You've got this plastic cladding on the side. Black one you see on the wheel, the flared wheel arches too. Now let's move to the front. So up front you've got some really good details. You got detailed headlamp, you got spot lamps, Lambo badge, this lower bumper which is detailed. You also got both the windshield wipers, number 63 written here, and the really cool looking paint job. Obviously the crazy styling of a Lambo. It does miss out on both the mirrors. I don't know why. Matchbox usually does a great job when it comes to mirrors and stuff. I don't know why they missed on this one. And if you look at the roof, it's also got roof rails. So it's pretty off-road. Pretty. I think you can put a rack on it, roof rack. Now, going back to the driver side, I did miss out these wheels. They look really good here, on point. It's the best, but they do look good. And it does have this, the new design door handle, like the one that goes flush with the door. So it does have that. Now moving to the back, so again good details in the back. You've got detailed tail lamp, you've got Lamborghini badge, Lamborghini written there. You also got twin exhaust, you got the diffuser, so good details in the back. Passenger side looks almost identical. Don't see any major differences. This is how it looks from the top. Since it's a moving parts line of casting, it does have this opening. I won't say hood, but yeah, kind of thing on it for the engine, since the engine is in the back. So there you can see the engine. Not a lot of detail on the engine, unlike some of the Matchbox which do have painted details on the engine. This one doesn't have a lot of details, but still some details, so you can see. And this is actually really nicely made. Not flimsy. It looks good and it actually feels good too. Interior is done in black. I don't think you can see much of it, but it's there. So overall, well, I love the paint on it. I love the details on it. Only thing I'm kind of nitpicking here is the mirrors. Apart from that, it's a really good looking casting, and I think it will look good in any collection with any other Lambos. Well, that's all for the day. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.